Hey friends, who's hungry? Craving restaurant-style chunky guacamole at home? This is the one, fresh, bold, and ready in just minutes. Start with 2 ripe Hass avocados. Slice them in half, remove the pits, and scoop the flesh into a medium bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped green onions, 1 tablespoon of chopped red onion, 1.5 tablespoons of minced fresh cilantro, 1 tablespoon of minced sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil, and 1.5 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. Grab a fork or potato masher and gently mash everything together. Keep it slightly chunky. That's what makes this guacamole so good. Season the guacamole with salt and pepper to taste, grab some chips, and don't expect any leftovers. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.